Low Pro, Osprey, Kailas, Fila Raven, all brands of Daypacks that we have used for drone and phone, but which one is best? We find out in this episode of DP Gear Reviews. Welcome to a brand new episode of DP Gear Reviews. Jack, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to review bags.
So we're looking at Daypacks. Now over the last 5 years I've built up quite a collection of Daypacks. I'm going to take you through 3 and the 4 things that I think are important. Do you remember them, Jack?
Yeah, I got 2 bags to talk about those 4 aspects.
So firstly we're going to look at the capacity of the backpack. That of course is important to how much gear you can get. Second,
the carrying system. Yeah, what kind of carrying system you got to make your day easier.
And then the third will be the hydration system. That is how you can get water into you. That is important in Hong Kong, particularly when it starts to get hot, that we have a system where we can carry a lot of water and easily get it into us as we're going. And the last, do you remember? He doesn't. It's about the pockets. How good the pockets are, how easy they are to access, and how they do with the gear that we carry on drone and phone. Right, let's get to this review. Let's get going. A Daypack is essential for any drone and phone adventure. We typically carry our camera gear as well as food and water, extra clothes and other essentials needed for the day. Using the right bag can make a massive difference, and over the years we've whittled down the bags we use to just a few, each used for different activities. Okay, so I'm going to go through my 3 bags very quick. Let's start here with the Low Pro Photo Sport. Now this is a lightweight bag. Doesn't have the best carry system, but it's good if you need to go running. I use it for event coverage mainly because of these compartments here. This is great for putting a drone or in fact putting a DSLR in here. Keeps it nice and snug and it's got enough space for the rest of it. The Photo Sport has a soft carry system, so it's good for running but not carrying heavy loads. There's enough space for essentials but not much more, and has lots of small pockets for storing extra batteries, cards and other camera accessories. A 2-litre water reservoir provides the hydration I need while covering outdoor events. It's a bag I've come to rely on when I need to move fast. Next I'm going to show you my favourite for heavy stuff. This is the Osprey Manta AG28. As you can see, it's very well worn. I love this bag. This mid-sized Daypack has plenty of pockets and fits a 2.5 litre hydration system that comes with the bag. It's the most comfortable of all my bags to wear, although it takes a little getting used to the anti-gravity system. This is the bag I would take if I have heavy stuff to take all day. It's got the most amazing carry system. Feels like even though it's weighed down, you're not carrying anything because of this. Even if you don't even do up that strap there, this system, I don't know how they do it, but they keep the weight off the shoulders here and around the waist, which makes it very good for heavy carrying. Problem with this one that I don't like so much is the pockets are quite difficult and you can't get a huge amount of gear in there for the day. This brings me to the Light Cloud 2 32 plus 10, a midway bag that has a bit of everything. For full transparency, Kailas do supply us with equipment for this show, but we're not being paid for this review. The Light Cloud is only slightly bigger than the Osprey, but can expand an extra 10 litres, which makes it far more spacious. The carry system is not as good as the Osprey, but still far better than other bags we've tried. It also has a similar hydration system and capacity as the Osprey, but where it shines is access to pockets and ease of use. So I use this for most of my drone and phone these days because of the fact I can just chuck whatever I need in there. It's got lots of good pockets. It opens right up, as you can see along here, from both ends, and it can come very easy to get into and get your stuff out. So good pockets, a good all-rounder bag. And lots of space. Here we're looking at the expandability of this bag. It can pack down to a little day pack. As you can see here, it can also expand up to something that can really carry quite a lot of gear. Right, let's get going. As with most other gear, Jack takes a different approach and has developed his own favourites.
Alright, DJ used the low pro for the event coverage. When we go on the day, he will carry that small one, but this is my choice when we cover the event. It's very small. This is Osprey Duro 15 liters.
The Duro 15 is designed as a trail running bag with a soft back and cannot support much weight. It has a massive 2.5 litre hydration system, but is minimal on packing space at just 15 litres capacity. Jack manages to get a drone, a few accessories in there, but not much else. This is not the bag you need for an average day hike, but excellent for following a fast-paced event, or indeed competing in it. Next up is a bag Jack, George and I all have in our cupboards, the Sealock waterproof backpack. It's a simple design with one key advantage: you can throw it in the sea. There's no carry system to talk of, no hydration system, and just one small pocket on the front, but if used with caution, it keeps everything inside it dry. Finally, Jack has one more bag to show.
The other one is my Fair Raven Ubisco 35. This is a big day pack. If I need to carry something heavier, like the tripod with the by the side, and also other stuff, lots of food and gear. Sometimes if I need to stay overnight, I put it on. You can see the space. It's very easy exercise from both sides, and I can put lots of stuff. And also comes with a water system. The same, you can put the bladder in and get it out. Lots of pockets here and there on the side. You can easy exercise to put other stuff. It's so much heavier, so much heavier than any of DJ's bag. As you can see, the steel frame, but it's quite strong. But it's just heavy.
Like the Keyless Light Cloud, the Ubisco shines when it comes to excellent pockets, compartments and the ability to expand. It's the biggest of all the bags we're showing today and has served both Jack and me on longer mountain expeditions. It's a tough bag for tough assignments. Well, that's the end of this episode. I hope it's given you some insight into the kind of day packs we use and why we use them on drone and phone.
Yeah, you know what you take depending on the day and you chose the bag.
Please like and subscribe wherever you see this, particularly on our YouTube channel where we're building our audience. For now, see you later.
Bye bye.